Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video. As the last video, we have discussed about the lead function. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the lag function as well. So I will simply click here on new query and it will open a new query window for us. And I will first of all run a simple select statement to see the data that we have. So we can write select star from profit data. So this is the data that we created in last video and we are going to use the same data. I will select this statement and will simply execute the code. So here you can see that we have again the same data. So for each one of the products for different months, the profit value is available. Similarly here as well for product B, the profit value is available in the profit column. And this time we just need to add a column in which not the next month's data will be shown, but previous month's profit should be shown. So I will simply copy the statement from here. So here we have, we had to add a new column. So I will copy this from here and let's go to this window. So the requirement is to add a new column that shows previous month's profit for each product. So this time we will write previous month's profit for each product. So let's see how that can be achieved using the lag function. So now we will write first of all select star, press enter from profit data. And after the star, we'll write comma, press enter, come to the next line, lag function, bracket open, bracket close. Inside the lag function, since in the new column that we have to add, we need to show previous month's profit value. Profit value has to be shown. So inside the lag function, we will mention the name of profit column. Then after that, we need to use the over clause, bracket open, bracket close. Now we want a window to be created for each product. That's why we will write partition by product. And then we want the result to be ordered by, we want the data to be ordered by month number in ascending order itself, right? So the point is that since we want for a given month, a previous month's data to be shown. Like for example, if I'll talk about the second record. So as of now, you can see that in profit column, Feb month's profit is being shown, which is 1500. So a new column should be added that should show us the product is January month sale. So January month sale is 1000. So 1000 should be populated in record 2 for the new column. So it should work in that way. Also, we should give an alias name to the new column that we are going to create. So in these square brackets in line 7, we can write lag function. If I will now select the statement written in line 5 to 8, although line number 5 is comment, so that's not going to make any difference. Let's select this part and execute the statement. So you can see that a new column was added, which shows the profit value for previous month for a given product. So let's say if we will talk about product A. So for product A, let's talk about record number 2. So for product A, the Feb month's profit was 1500, but since Jan month's profit is 1000, that's why here 1000 is being written. If we will talk about record number 3, so since in March, product A's profit was 1200, so 1200 is written in profit column. But since in the previous month, that is in February, since the the profit value was 1500, that's why in this lag function column, 1500 is written. Similarly, if I'll talk about the first record, so since the minimum data is available for January month, data is not like this is the first month only, right? So data is available for January. So there is no other month before January for product A. So that's why null value is written here, right? And similarly, if I'll talk about product B, so in the first record where the profit for January month is written in profit column, in the lag function column, you can see null is written because this is the minimum month that we have. So that's why we do not have value available for a month, which is, month that occurs before January, right? That's not logical. So that data is simply not available. That's why here we simply have null value written here. And similarly, you can see that for other columns, if I'll talk about record number 11, so profit column shows the profit value for product B for May month, and the lag function column shows value for April month's profit for product B. So likewise, this data can be represented. Now again, let's take one more example to understand the same thing that we discussed in the case of the lead function. So I will go to the lead functions query window and I will copy this requirement from there. To copy it, I'll come to the new page. and we will make a small change where we will write new column should be added to show previous month's total profit. Previous, right? So we need to show previous month's total profit. So again, first of all, we will try to create that data, aggregated data. First of all, we will create, and then we will add the new column that will be created using the lag function. So what we can do, we can simply write select star then profit data and then press enter. Now, since we do not want all the columns to be there in the output, so we want aggregated data first of all. So I will remove this star and I will write month number, comma, month name, then comma, sum of profit, and the new column that will be created, which will show us the sum of the profit or the total profit, we will name it as total profit. Total profit. Total profit for month. So you can give any alias name according to your convenience. I'm writing this for clarity. And now, since in the select statement, you can see that we have used two other columns apart from the sum profit, and there is no aggregation being used on these two columns, that is month name and month number. So we will have to mention them in group by clause. So we can write group by month number, comma, month name. And let's say we want the final output to be ordered by or sorted in the ascending order of the month number column. So we can write order by month number. If first of all I will execute this part, that is from line 12 to 15 without using the lag function. First of all, let's see the aggregated data, because we are not having the aggregated data available in the table, right? So if I will simply click on execute, so you can see this is the data, and here we do not see the products information. We see total profit value for each month. So on this aggregated data, to this aggregated data, we have to add one more column, and that can be achieved using the lag function. And through that column, in that column, we will show each month's total profit for previous month. So we will write lag. And since in the new column, we have to show sum of profit value for the previous month, not the profit value, but sum of profit value. So in the lag function, we will write sum of profit. And after that, we can write over clause, and we simply want the result to be ordered by month number in ascending order. And let's give an alias name to the new column that will be created using the lag function. So inside the square brackets in line number 13 in the end, we can write lag function, or maybe we can write previous months total profit. So let's select the statement written from line 12 to 16 and let's execute it. So you can see that in the new column, previous month's total sale is available. The minimum month is January. So obviously in the first record, in the new column, you can see null values available. Then if I'll talk about the second record, that is February. So for Feb month, the total profit is 4,000. It is written in the total profit column, but in the previous month's column, 3,000 is written. Why? Because in January, the total profit was 3,000. That's why. If I'll talk about the third record, then in March, the total value is 3,400. That's why in total profit column for March, in third record, total profit is 3,400. While since for Feb month, the total profit value was 4,000. That's why in the third record for March month, previous month's total profit column shows the value 4,000. Likewise, it is for other records as well. So this was also a requirement that can be achieved using the lag function, and you can certainly expect questions from lead and lag function in the interviews. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.